welcome back. Let's do question 2.3. Given the geometric series, which is equal to 5,8125, calculate the value of n. So what do we do here? This is the geometric series being equal to 5,8125. So we have to use our formula as n is equal to a 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r. Let's find our first three terms here. Okay, because we're going to equate this. We're going to equate this to 5,8125. Let's find the first term. T1 is equal to 3, 2 to the power 1 minus 1, which is equal to 3. T2 is equal to 3, 2 to the power 1 minus 2 is equal to 3 over 2. Then term 3 is equal to 3. Then times 2 to the power 1 minus 3, which is 3 over 4. And then from this one, you can say T2 divided by T1 is equal to T3 divided by T2, which is 3 over 2 divided by 2, divided by 3. What do you get? 3 over 2 times 1 over 3. We get 3 divided by 3 is 1, so you get 1 over 2. But even T3 divided by T2, 3 over 4 divided by 3 over 2. What do you get? 3 over 4 times 2 over 3. 3 into 3, 1, will remain 2 over 4, which is half. So our ratio is equal to 1 over 2. So let's substitute into this formula. It means A is 3, that's term 1. So 3, then 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power n over 1 minus 1 over 2 is equal to 5,1825. Right, so there are many ways we can do this. Let's find this first. Let's simplify the denominator here. So it's 3, and then 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power n over 1 over 2 is equal to 5,1825. And then we can say 3 divided by 1 over 2. Or we multiply this side by 1 over 2. Okay, so we can take different approaches here. But let me say 3 divided by half. What is 3 divided by half is 6. So we remove 6. Then 1 minus 1 over 2 power n is equal to 5,1825. And then what do? We divide by 6 on both sides of the equation. Divide by 6, divide by 6. 6 into 6, 1. So we remain with 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power n is equal to 31 over 32. Just use fractions. In cases like this, use fractions because rounding off compromises accuracy. And then say negative 1 over 2 power n is equal to 31 over 32 minus 1. And then what do you get? You get negative 1 over 2 to the power n is equal to negative 1 over 32. Then we can divide by negative 1 on both sides of the equation. It becomes half n is equal to 1 over 32. Then we can use our laws of exponents here. This is 1 over 2 to the power n is equal to 1 over 2 to the power 5. 1 is like power any exponent, like 1 to the power 5 is still 1, isn't it? So we can just say this is like 1 to the power 5. So that we have 1 over 2 to the power n is equal to 1 over 2 to the power 5. The bases are the same, so we equate the exponents. N is equal to 5. Or at this stage here, we can change from exponential form to logarithmic form. This is the subject, this is the base, and then this is the number. So n is equal to log the base 1 over 2, then the number 1 over 32. And then put this in the calculator, n is equal to 5.